Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I welcome you all to the class. We are going to be learning the Arabic letters today. Alif to Kha. Alif to Kha. The first 7 letters of the Arabic alphabet. Let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif. 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 Which is spelled as Alif. 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 Ba. 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 Ba is spelled as Ba. 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 Ta. 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 Ta is spelled as Ta. 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 This is spelled as Fa. 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 Now, Jim. 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 Jim is spelled as Jim. 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 Ha. 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 Ha is spelled as Ha. 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 Ho. 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 This is spelled as Ho. 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 Let's take it from the beginning again. Alif. Alif. Alif is spelled as Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ba, which is spelled as Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Ta, spelled as Ta. 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 Ta, spelled as Ta. 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 Jim. Jim. Jim, spelled as Jim. 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 Ha. Ha. Ha, spelled as Ha. 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 Ho. Ho. Ho, spelled as Ho. Ho. So inshallah we are going to stop here. Until next class we start from Ho. For today we have been able to learn Alif to Ho. Let's take it for the last time. Alif. Ba. Ta. Ta. Jim. Ha. Ho. Alif. Ba. Ta. Ta. Jim. Ha. Ho. Thank you so much.